that shit gonna last? I'm gonna tell you, get the fuck out of here.
The story, unfortunately, doesn't have a happy ending. See, that was the first time I grabbed that imaginary brass ring and went absolutely nowhere with it. See, I don't play games. What you see with me is what
You're in the wrong business.
And I would much rather be hated.
Yeah, what happened to you? You guys were just being cute.
For something that I'm
Now you guys are just being assholes.
Yeah,
It's your cut, fuck girl.
Smitey.
Fat girl. Farrah.
Are you going to tell me all this time you've not had opportunities? Is that what this is all about, right? Let me see. Pay-per-views, main events, Money in the Bank, multiple world championships. You know, those sound like a lot of opportunities to me, Punk. I don't know, maybe at some point in time you have to look in the mirror and look at yourself. Stop blaming everybody else and saying, I don't know, maybe you're not as good as you thought you were. Maybe you're not the best in the world. You know, you told a story a few weeks ago, such was storytelling, about John Cena coming up to you when you won your first championship here. He came up to you and he said, congratulations, I'd almost lost hope in you. And you were